Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. I really hope you are well. In today's video we're going to do a simple yet beautiful hairstyle. I think it's perfect to go to the gym, to do some sports, or if you want just to have all the hair up. So let's start with this hairstyle.
Okay guys, as always I'm going to prepare my girl's hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply one drop all along the hair. Perfect. Now we can comb the hair, and as you can see we have ready, shiny and beautiful hair to start the hairstyle. First of all, we're going to split the hair in half. So we're going to do a division from the forehead to the neck. Now I'm going to hold one of the sections out of the way. Now in here we're going to do two divisions. This is the first one and now the second one. It should be like a small square. We're going to comb the hair and we're going to hold this section into a little ponytail. Perfect. Now we're going to do our second division, exactly the same as the first one, but we're going to leave one or two fingers from the first division. Comb the hair and hold it with an elastic. And now we're going to do one more ponytail. So we're going to split the hair and now hold the ponytail. Now we're going to grab this section, split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a French braid. We're going to add hair to the braid from the first stitch. Now cross this strand over the middle one. Add hair to the braid from this side, and now from the other one, cross the outside strand over the middle one, add a small section of hair to the braid, and again from the left side, cross the outside strand over the middle, add hair to the braid, and in here again, cross the strand over and add hair to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again until we add the remaining hair from this side. Good. In here we're going to keep braiding and hold the hair with an elastic at the end. Next, we're going to do the same steps on the other side to complete the hairstyle. Guys, this is looking amazing. I love it. Now we have both of the braids, and to cover the elastics, I'm going to use a little clip on each one, and that's all.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well, on Facebook, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any of our videos. See you on the next week. Bye!
Bye!